All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna take a quick moment to show you how I load this into this with these the reliable and safe way that you can do this repeatedly. So the main point of this video is to help you not be this guy. Let's get started. For starters, let's talk about the ramps themselves. I prefer the folding design. It kind of gives you a little bit more of an angle for a less steep approach when you're loading into your truck bed. Another huge thing to bring up is know what you're loading and know what you're buying them for. Make sure you pay attention to your weight ratings. Each one of these is rated for 750 or 1500 as a pair. Crucial information, do not miss. Otherwise, you'll end up like that guy. Also, buy something of decent quality. Inspect the welds. Make sure it's all legit, tight, together. You get what you pay for. Don't buy the cheapest thing you can find. You'll thank yourself in the long run. So when we get into actually setting these up on the truck bed, there's really only one thing you want to do is you want to make sure you line up the flat edge of the ramp with the flat edge of the truck bed. That way you make a perfect 90-degree here and you have a perfectly perpendicular ramp. That way you don't end up with ramps that look something like this. Before we strap these down, we're going to want to verify that we've got our ramps at the correct distance apart, that our tires are going to line up perfectly, and we're not going to run the risk of driving off the side. The catch to not being that guy in the video earlier is making sure you have a set of ramps with the straps. These are crucial to the ramps not pulling away from the truck. Pull all the slack out of them. And it's all right if your ramps don't have a strap. A lot of them don't come with them. Just get yourself a ratchet strap if you don't want to buy a set of these. If you don't already have a ratchet strap, you should probably look into a different hobby. You know, once they're strapped down, I can't pull them away. They're gonna stay where they're at. Where you get to this point where you got to take everything you've learned and put this up there, there's really nothing to it. It's pretty straightforward. Have a set of balls, full send, don't hesitate. Where issues arise is when you get halfway up the ramp and you lose your momentum, you ram the throttle, you send all the torque to the back, you spin the tires, that's going to spin the ramps out, that's going to spin your tail off the edge. Just hit it with confidence. Use that momentum and it's going to carry you right. To get it out, just do all those steps in reverse. Well guys, thanks for watching. Everyone stay safe out there. Until next time.